How to open a cryptocurrency wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to open a cryptocurrency wallet and get your first $1 worth of Bitcoin. Hi there, my name is Mary Castle, and today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. You may have heard about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, but don't know where or how you can buy them. Well, here's the place for you. We will go through everything from what is cryptocurrency all the way up to buying your first $1 of cryptocurrency. Don't worry, it's not as hard as it sounds. Opening a cryptocurrency wallet can be confusing. There are many different types of wallets, and the process for opening one is not always straightforward. You'll need to decide if you want to use a web-based or client-side application, which will depend on your needs and preferences. This blog post will walk you through the steps required to open a cryptocurrency wallet so that you can start storing digital currency like Bitcoin in it. Hi, the Crypto Cell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Download a cryptocurrency wallet from the App Store. Find a cryptocurrency wallet from the App Store. It is time to start investing in cryptocurrencies. The first step you should take, before even thinking about purchasing coins or tokens with your hard-earned cash money, I know it sounds crazy, would be downloading one. There are many options available on Apple's iTunes Store and Google Play Retail Market, so I'm sure we can all find something suitable for us here at least, but do keep this info handy, just in case my future self has any questions later when trying to understand how everything works. Create an account with your email address and password. Create an account with your email address and password to start earning points on groceries. Mealum will keep track of how much money you save every time that a certain item is ordered, which gives them the opportunity for more advertising space in other products or services. Everything they need from credit card information up until checking out goes through their secure server, so everything stays safe while also keeping things simple enough even someone without any experience could do this today. Verify email address to access account. Enter the email address you wish to log in with. Into this form, a verification code will be sent directly to your inbox after authentication in order for access approval. Select a currency to buy and enter how many you want to purchase. What are you waiting for? You can now purchase Webflow's popular products in any currency. Just enter how many and select your favorite one. It doesn't take much time, but it will be worth every penny when we hit. Confirm the transaction by entering your PIN. Once you've completed inputting all of these steps and confirmed that it's accurate, head back to our site. We'll make sure everything looks good before finalizing things. Just enter in any missing information like social security numbers or bank account info as needed. In this content, we discussed how to open a cryptocurrency wallet. We went over the steps from downloading an app from the App Store or Google Play Retail Market and creating an account with your email address and password. Next, you will need to verify your email address by entering it into a form on their website. If everything looks good, then go ahead and purchase some coins. Just enter in how many coins you want to buy at what price before confirming the transaction by entering your PIN number. You're all set now. Let's get started investing. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier when it comes down.